There's Blizzard Mountain, less than 20 minutes from the town of Arco, and nobody seems to know about it. Very few people know about it. A nice little powder haven. This is a regular Palma lift, platter lift, but with an unusual spring system that's kind of all visible on the outside. Well, there's a lift on the groomed run, and I did a little bit of ungroomed here. The ski area runs on donations. Just sign in and donate something. Alright, this is skiing like it used to be in the good old days. For example, very few people are wearing helmets. For once since the mid-2000s or so, I'm not in a minority. I even got rid of the hat today because it's so hot. Yeah, lots of people with no helmet. I was among the first 4 cars to arrive here, but now there's probably about 20 cars. Well, having skied Blizzard Mountain, I have now skied all of Idaho, all 19 ski areas that I can count in Idaho. Actually, I met a man from Pocatello here who is on a mission, same as mine, to ski all 19 ski areas in Idaho. But he's trying to do it all in one season, and he has already accomplished it. Same as me, he left Blizzard Mountain for last. He was skiing with his son, so I assumed that they both did all 19 ski areas. Anyway, it was fun to meet somebody who was on the same mission as I. Well, goodbye Blizzard. Just 4 miles from Blizzard Mountain, or actually just 2 miles from where you leave the highway to go to Blizzard Mountain. 2 miles further is Craters of the Moon, national monument or something. Most of the craters are covered by snow, but it is now a ski trail.